In a critical turn of events, renowned fashion designer Rohit Bal is currently battling for his life at Medanta Hospital in Delhi NCR, Gurugram. Sources reveal that the designer was admitted to the ICU and put on a ventilator on November 23. This distressing development comes as Bal, already dealing with a pre-existing cardiac condition, faces a challenging health situation. A close friend said Bal was rushed to the hospital by model Suraj Thalia 3 days ago. His heart was sinking and he was unconscious. His pacemaker gave 7 shocks. He was initially taken to Moolchand, and when his condition deteriorated, he was rushed to Medanta. After surviving a massive heart attack in 2010, the designer Rohit Bal, now 62-year-old, has been facing an uphill battle with his health. Compounded by a worsening case of pancreatitis, his condition has deteriorated over the years. The renowned designer has been grappling with serious health complications, necessitating multiple hospitalizations in the last few months. Renowned designer Rohit Bal has faced a tumultuous journey grappling with alcohol abuse and its consequential health issues. Reports indicate that he has been in and out of rehab and hospital seeking treatment. This follows a history of health challenges, including a heart attack in February 2010 that led to an emergency angioplasty. Born on May 8, 1961 in Srinagar, Rohit Bal embarked on his career journey in 1986, co-founding Orchid Overseas Private Limited with his brother. His independent collection took flight in 1990, marking a pivotal moment in his illustrious career. As an alumni of St. Stephen's College, he further honed his craft by studying fashion at the National Institute of Fashion Technology in Delhi. For nearly 3 decades, Rohit Bal has reigned supreme in the fashion world, adorned with numerous prestigious awards. Crowned Designer of the Year at the International Fashion Awards in 2001 and 2004, as well as the Indian Fashion Awards in 2006. His influence is undeniable. In 2012, he took the spotlight as the grand finale designer at Lakme Fashion Week. Times magazine hailed him as India's master of fabric and fantasy. In a revealing interview, Bal described himself as traditionalist, emphasizing that his designs are not dictated by fleeting trends. Renowned for his global impact, he showcased his artistry in fashion shows across London, Paris, New York, Singapore, and Moscow. Bal's creative endeavors extended beyond fashion into the culinary world, where he inaugurated his first restaurant, Veda, in 2005.